Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel, BM Squad Vlogs.
At kung bago lang kayo sa aming channel, ay don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel guys, and hit the notification bell button para lagi kayong updated sa mga bago naming video uploads.
For today's vlog, you will learn how to join or start a meeting, and we will share the upcoming features of Google Meet. Video conferencing apps are very useful during this pandemic.
At dahil nga hindi pa rin possible ang face-to-face teaching and learning, meetings, at iba pang mga gawain, ang mga schools, companies ay nagsasagawa ng iba't ibang mga meetings, webinars, and online classes gamit ang iba't ibang mga video conferencing apps. And Google Meet is one of the video conferencing apps used to communicate and collaborate with other people. How to start a meeting on Google Meet? On your web browser, type meet.google.com, then press enter. So here's the home page of your Google Meet. Dito sa upper left corner, makikita natin ang date and time. Sa upper right corner, nandito ang G Suite Admin Help, audio and video settings. Ito naman ang audio settings. May options para sa microphone settings at mayroon rin naman para sa speaker settings. Ito naman ang video settings. Under ng video settings ay mamimili tayo ng mga camera setup natin. Ito naman ang button if you want to send feedback. And this button is the user account button. Dito natin makikita ang ating email. To start a meeting, alamin mo muna kung ikaw ay magjo-join ng meeting. Kapag ikaw ay magjo-join, i-enter mo lamang dito sa area na to ang meeting code. Kung ikaw naman ay mag-host ng meeting, i-type mo lamang ang nickname or ang gusto mong meeting code na gagamitin o isasend mo din sa mga kapwa mo participants. For example, sample meeting. Click continue. Automatic na naka-turn on ang camera at microphone. Pero habang hindi pa tayo nag-i-start or nagjo-join ng meeting, ay pwede natin itong i-turn off muna. For more options, click these three dots. We can add an in-house live stream, turn on captions, which I will explain this later, audio and video settings. You may also report a problem, report abuse, or ask for help. Then click join now. Automatic kung magpo-prompt ang meeting details or meeting ID code. I-click lang ang copy joining info and i-paste at i-send ito sa iba pang participants. Halimbawa, sa FB group or group chat ng inyong school. Pwede din tayo mag-invite or mag-type ng direct Gmail accounts nila. So here is the Google Meet interface. Sa upper right corner, makikita dito ang picture na ginagamit mo sa iyong Gmail account. Dito din makikita ang time, chat, na kung saan pwede kang mag-send ng message sa lahat ng participants. At dito mo din makikita ang list of other participants. Again, itong more options ay para makapag-record ng meeting. mag-change ng layout. Pwedeng sidebar, pwede ring spotlight or tile. So nakikita natin ang mga pagkakaiba. Kung gusto natin i-full screen, i-click ito. Then press escape on your keyboard kung gusto nating i-exit ang full screen. Turn on captions. This feature can be enabled and disabled as needed in the meeting, and can be enabled by anyone, not just by the host. It uses artificial intelligence to understand the words and add captions to the meeting. But here are some tips. Make sure that you use a good microphone for the meeting, so the feature works best for you. If you have any confusions, you can check the settings if you need a different mic, or you can go with the one that you have. And this is a nice feature if you are working on audio meetings and not on video calls. Again, this is for the audio and video settings na nabanggit ko kanina. Next, paano naman tayo makakapag-share screen? Just click present now. So may 3 options dito. First, share your entire screen. Second, share an application window. So pipili ka ng isang window na ipapakita mo sa screen. For example, magpe-present ka ng iyong PowerPoint presentation. It is also advised to choose this option if you want to share screen in video or a presentation with sound or audio. And the last one is to share a Chrome tab. So pipiliin mo lang kung anong specific tab ang isi-share ng screen mo. Next is to turn on captions. Again, this feature uses artificial intelligence to understand the words and captions to the meeting. This button is used to turn on and turn off camera. If you will leave the meeting or call, click this. Then this button is used to turn on and turn off the microphone. This is the meeting details or the meeting ID or meeting code. To join a meeting, just click meeting ID link na ibinigay ng host or go to meet.google.com and click join or start a meeting. Then type the meeting code or nickname. Here are the upcoming features of Google Meet. Number 1. Improve moderator controls. Meeting moderators will have more control over who can enter, who can present, and who can speak during a live session. Number 2. Replace your background. Privacy settings will allow you to blur or replace your background during a live meeting. Number 3. Breakout rooms. Split a large group into smaller discussion groups and then pull them back into the main meeting. Number 4. Integrated digital whiteboard. Jamboard is being integrated with Google Meet to provide on-demand annotation and diagrams during a live session. Number 5. Raise your hand. A new hand raise feature will allow participants to signal to the host that they have something to share. Number 6. Quick polls and Q&A. Meeting hosts
can post poll questions and receive questions from meeting participants. Here are the new moderator controls. Number 1. Remotely mute all participants. Next, guests can only knock or request to join after being ejected from the meeting. And the last one, the default setting for Google Meet will not allow anonymous guests. Google has started to roll out its latest headline-grabbing feature for its Google Meet video calling. It's the noise cancellation. The cloud denoiser, as it's called, uses a machine learning to remove the noises but allow what's being said to still be completely audible. Serge Lacapelle is the GC director of this product management, and he created a demo seen on the Venture Beat of just how effective the process is.